Hi everyone and welcome to TechCham's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the keyboard text replacement feature on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, first go to the settings app. In settings app, scroll down, tap on general, and in general settings, select keyboard. And in keyboard settings, you will find the option for text replacement. Tap on it to continue. And in here, tap on the plus sign here and in here just write a phrase that you want to replace it with a shortcut, like let me write oh my god. And now just write a shortcut for that. Let me write omg and tap save. Now whenever you write omg, it will bring up the full phrase. Like let me type omg, so that's it. It will bring up the full phrase here. So if you don't like it, you can always remove it. To remove a shortcut for the text replacement, simply tap on edit here and you tap on this red icon here and tap delete. It will remove the shortcut. So that's it. That's how you can use the text replacement feature on your iPhone 14. Thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.